Heroin. Don't know where this going.
Keep going.
I can't though. That's all I got.
Keep going. Go.
Dick. Bring me the bitches. We out here and we smoking, getting hot, then we choking, and we in the cars, we blowing. Chilling with your bitch in the ride, yeah, we going. 17,000, 90 cause we blowing. Got your bitch on the dick, got her riding quick, got her coming on my shit, got her sucking on my. Ayy, my niggas coming quick with the things. We shooting double shots with the beams. My boy Jay Bird coming right after me. He finna go in, smash it, kill him, B.
Alright, yo, Jay Bird's here. Fucking cutting bitches with chainsaws, giving them stitching, fucking cutting their mouths off. I don't give a fuck. I'll fuck a bitch in the cunt. You know what I'm saying? Slap her and make her do a fucking flip, and then fucking roll her down in a ditch. Dead. Wrap her up in sheets and blankets with bloodstains everywhere. Fucking shove my hand down her throat. Pulled her fucking mouth from the back out so she'd shut it. Cause I don't give a fuck. I shoved her in a bucket and humped it. Yo, I'm a beast. I'm ready to pass. What? What?